Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure your RS4 Pro as a network rover. We will need to be connected to the RS4 Pro over Wi-Fi if we want to use the calibrated camera system, so we will either need to install a SIM card to connect to our NTRIP network, or follow the following procedures to use your device's hotspot to connect. The simplest method will be to connect to the RS4 Pro with a second device running Emlid Flow or through the Reach panel. With your secondary device, access the Wi-Fi settings of your RS4 Pro. Activate your device's hotspot and make it discoverable. For iPhones, you will need to be on the personal hotspot screen with the setting to allow others to join toggled on. Input your hotspot's name and password, then click connect. Once you've established this hotspot connection, you can easily reconnect the next time you use the RS4 Pro by first activating your device's hotspot, then powering on the RS4 Pro, and waiting until the RS4 Pro is booted fully and connected to your hotspot before opening Emlid Flow. Now in Emlid Flow, we'll select the RS4 Pro with the IP address to utilize the Wi-Fi connection. Then tap Correction Input, select NTRIP, then select your NTRIP profile. The last thing we need to do for our RS4 Pro Rover is to set the rover pole height. To do so, tap Survey, then open a project. Then tap the plus button. At the top of the collection window, tap the icon with your pole height. Here you can input your pole height, and if you're using the quick release adapter, you can toggle that setting on to automatically account for the added length. Correct pole height measurements are critical in achieving accurate tilt compensation as well as accuracy with the cameras. Now we can utilize all the features of the RS4 Pro. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.